Sean the Sidekick here, and in my poll, I saw that it was kind of a 50-50 answer. For the 50% that was like, no, I'm going to be doing a simple overview of the engineering process versus the scientific method with an interviewer.
Yes, awesome. Thank you so much, Sean, for taking this opportunity to explain the engineering design process to us. So, in a nutshell, what is the engineering design process?
So, the engineering design process consists of 7 easy steps: ask, research, imagine, plan, create, test, and improve.
Okay, so what are those steps? What do you do in those steps?
So, when you ask,
When you see it.
when you see a problem, you need to ask questions about it.
Okay.
Like, interviewer, think fast, give me a problem.
What can I do to solve this problem?
Okay, give me a real problem.
Okay, so I need something to hold my napkin in the kitchen. As a mom, I cook a lot. So I need something to hang my kitchen cloth napkin on. So I tell you, Sean, my napkin is always lying on the shelf, or I have to hold on to it and all that. But I need something to hang it on. So what do you think you can do to solve this problem for me?
So, what can we do?
So
Maybe we can do something like this or this or this, and then you can propose some questions.
okay.
And then you research about those questions and the topic. So let's say I research and I find something about napkin holders of the future.
Okay.
Floating napkin holders, levitation, magnets, all that cool stuff.
Okay.
And then I'm like, wow, this is cool. And then I imagine, what if I combine this all into one?
Okay.
And then I plan stuff. Maybe I can make something like a maglev holder.
Okay.
And then I create a prototype. I'd use an electromagnetic base that creates small pulses of current that allows the magnet to float. And then I'll put a magnet on top and stick a prong out of it. And then you can put your napkin on it.
Okay. So then
And
that's
then
good.
we tested and it doesn't work, and I improve. I make it more stable and make the pulses of current stronger until it works. And I give it to my mom, and she's like,
Thank you. That is awesome. Very, very impressive. Okay. That makes sense. So that is the engineering design process, right?
And
Okay.
also just something I think I should talk. I'm talking to a disembodied voice right now.
Stop making fun. All right. So, Sean, I always hear you talk about the scientific method. What is the engineering design process? How is it different from the scientific method? Or what is the scientific method?
Okay, so the scientific method
Mm-hmm.
is 5 easy steps. You need to observe something you want to study about.
Mm-hmm.
Like, let's say I observe something that looks like a particle thing.
Mm-hmm.
Particle, birds running around a tree looking like a gold atom.
Okay.
And then I make a hypothesis.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe those birds could be doing like a ritual or something. And then I experiment and test. So then I pick up some birds and recreate the situation and see what happens. And then I make a conclusion that something in their brain is making them do that. And then I get the result.
Oh, okay. So that is the scientific method. That's awesome. Thank you so much for explaining this to us. Do you have anything else to share with us before we wrap this up?
The engineering design process and the scientific method are basically brother and sister.
Oh, okay.
So the engineering design process is basically the scientific method, but instead of experimenting, you create something.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye. And don't forget to keep on sciencing and make something. Anything. Anyway, bye.